Welcome to our detailed guide on the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, where we'll explore its standout features, how it works, and why it could be the perfect choice for your financial needs. In this video, we break down the card's benefits in a simple, step-by-step format. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Introduction to the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Get to know the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Learn why it's one of the best cashback credit cards currently available. 2. Earning unlimited 2% cash rewards. The card offers 2% cash rewards on all purchases with no limits or categories to track. Explore how this straightforward reward structure makes it easy to earn cash back. 3. Introductory offer, $200 cash rewards after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. We'll discuss the terms and how to make the most of this offer. 4. 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Learn how to take advantage of this offer for big-ticket items or existing debt. 5. No annual fee. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card has no annual fee, making it a great option for those looking to avoid extra charges. 6. Additional benefits and protections. Cell phone protection. Pay your monthly phone bill with your card and get protection against damage or theft. Access to Wells Fargo mobile app. Manage your account, track rewards, and more with the app. 7. Credit card security features. The card provides advanced security features like fraud protection, zero liability for unauthorized purchases, and more. 8. How to apply for the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Walk through the application process, from eligibility to submitting your application online. What you need to get started and tips for approval. 9. Who should consider this card? Discover who would benefit most from the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, whether you're looking for a simple rewards card or a way to save on interest with 0% APR. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a great option for those looking to earn unlimited cash back without worrying about rotating categories or an annual fee. With its solid intro offer, 0% APR for 15 months, and valuable perks, it's easy to see why this card is a top choice for many. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed financial guides and reviews.